National Science Week, everyone. My name is Olivia, and today I'm going to show you some science that you can do at home. Today we're going to be making some beautiful rainbow patterns with some Skittles and some water. So here I've got some Skittles with some different colors on them, and I also have a glass of water and a white bowl in front of me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my Skittles into the bowl in a little circle, but you can do whatever pattern you like. And then I'm going to gently pour a little bit of water into my bowl to almost cover my Skittles. And then we're just going to watch and see what happens with those Skittles. So our Skittles are covered in a coating which is made of sugar and food dye. And so when that is in water, that food dye and the sugar starts to come out of those Skittles and spread out into the water. And so we can see that happening a little bit now in our bowl. And this is a really great way to see diffusion in action. Diffusion describes how things spread out from where there is lots of that thing to not much of that thing. So where we can see the color around our Skittles, there is lots of food dye and there's lots of sugar. And so that means we have a high concentration of sugar. And it is trying to spread out to where there is not much sugar, where there is a low concentration of sugar, into the plain water. Once our colors are covering the whole bowl, our sugar is spread out equally across the whole bowl, and so the diffusion stops. So this is a beautiful experiment by itself, but if you want to add something extra to this very sugary experiment, you can get even more sugar and you can put it into the center of your pattern here. So this is some caster sugar, it has no color, and I'm just gonna pour it into the center where all of my colors meet. And we're gonna watch to see what happens this time. So when I've added more sugar into the middle there, we've increased the concentration of the sugar in the middle. And so that wants to now diffuse out to where there is less sugar on the outside of the bowl. As it's diffusing, it is pushing out those colors with it as well. So now you know how to do some sweet science at home. Maybe you'd like to try it as well. Happy National Science Week, everyone. Just try not to eat all the Skittles before you do the experiment.